When you reflect on your startup journey, what will you see?
Leaving the high life to try and shoot higher?
Or your first day working on a big idea?
You did your planning before breakfast, marketing after lunch, then coding into the night.
Or was it the morning? You soon discovered CEO stands for Chief Everything Officer.
You knew there'd be lots of hats, but there were so many hats. Prioritizing in those early days wasn't so simple.
Nobody said this would be easy. Of course there were worries.
About money, about the product, about failing or scaling faster than you can handle.
But then, that one pitch.
The client called to share the news.
We're in. We can't wait to get started.
And everything changed.
The team grew fast.
2 became 3, then 8, then 20.
New people who shared your vision. Together, you figured out how to make it work.
You made space for different voices, for quiet ones.
With the team driving things forward, you could take a step back.
And see the big picture again.
You moved onwards and upwards, never forgetting
where your journey started.
It starts here.
Join our startup program and get $1,000 in credits. Miro.